Hi everyone, welcome back to another week of STEMpower at Home. This week we'll be making diffracted water waves. But first, we need to learn, what are waves? Waves are disturbances that transport energy, but don't transfer matter. For example, water waves in the ocean don't actually push water onto shore. It's just a transfer of energy through the water, which makes it rise at some levels. You might have already seen this in action when you lose a shoe in the ocean and it doesn't get pushed back to you. Instead, it just stays in place. Other examples of waves are sound waves, which transport sound, and light waves, which transport light. All waves can be diffracted or spread out when they spread through an opening in an obstacle. When the wave passes through this opening, it will diffract and spread radially or circularly, and if you could see the waves, it would form a semicircle shape. Sound is a wave, as we learned before. So when two people have a conversation in a room and the window is open, their sound waves will pass through the window and spread in a semicircle shape, which is why you might be able to hear their conversation in another room. We will demonstrate this diffraction today with cardboard and water. Let's gather our materials. For this activity, you will need a baking tray, a 9x13-inch one will work just fine, cardboard that is easily folded, such as a cereal box or pasta box, tape, and scissors. If you are using a 9x13-inch baking sheet, cut a 7x7-inch square of the cardboard and cut that in half. Otherwise, you could just cut a sizable rectangle out of cardboard, like mine here, which is 8 inches by 7 inches. Cut it into 2 pieces, and take one piece and fold it in half lengthwise. Crease this fold, and then take the bottom and fold it upward in half again. Repeat this on the other side. You should end up with 2 feet of cardboard and 1 wall of cardboard, which can stand on the 2 feet, as shown here. Repeat these steps with the other piece of cardboard. Now, tape the folds of each cardboard piece together so it will stand on its feet and won't open. Take your baking sheet and pour enough water to cover the bottom and have half an inch of water on the baking sheet. You can place your 2 cardboard walls into the sheet now and make sure that there's about a ½ inch opening between them. Now it's time to make some waves. Push water with your hand so that it hits the wall and enters the gap between the cardboard. You can see that this creates semicircular ripples, which is the wave being diffracted. Try repeating this experiment multiple times. See what happens when you move the walls farther apart or closer together. What happens to the semicircle? Additionally, if this isn't working, you can either pour more water into your baking dish or try a different size baking dish. I hope you enjoyed today's experiment. Make sure to comment down below how it went for you and let us know what other experiments you would like to see. Check the description box for more videos and subscribe to see new videos. That's all for today. Keep learning and I'll see you next time. Bye!